You have got to see this jig.
Hi everybody, Mick here with another amazing jig that once you've got one of these you'll wonder how you manage without one. So what I've got just a scrap of wood, and I've marked 3 marks on this scrap of wood. So the 2 outside marks can be anywhere you want, but the middle mark is in the centre of the other 2 marks. So it doesn't matter your length of your wood, your width of your wood, your thickness of your wood, doesn't really matter. So just 2 marks and then another mark in the centre of those 2. Now on the outside 2 marks, what we're going to do, we're going to put 2 of these little shelf supports, if you can see them. I'll bring a picture up on the screen for you. So I use these, and I find these work best because they're round, they work on this jig better. So what I'm going to do then, I'm just going to scribe a line in the centre roughly of the wood on all 3 marks, as you can see. And then what I'm going to do with the outside 2 marks, I've got a drill bit and I'm going to put these shelf supports in the outside too. So I'm just going to drill a hole in the marks. So as you can see, I've drilled the hole in the outside 2 marks. I'm going to take my shelf supports, find myself a hammer, just tap these in. You need to make these tight, don't make them so they drop out, otherwise it can be a nightmare for you. So I've knocked those 2 in, right out of the way. So we've got 2 shelf supports there, knocked in to the 2 outside marks. Now the centre mark, what I'm going to do with that one is I'm going to get a slightly bigger drill bit, because what that's going to be for, that's going to be for a pencil or a pen to go through to mark your timber. So I'm going to drill it from this side, but you actually pen or pencil will go in from the other side, but I'll drill it this side because this side I've marked it. Just elongate that hole a little bit, because this pen I've got for this demonstration is a little bit tapered. Yep, that's fine. So the pen or the pencil goes in like that. It's a tight fit, so it won't drop out. The shelf supports are a tight fit, so they won't drop out. And basically that's the jig finished. Now you might be thinking, what the hell is that for? So what this jig is for, I will show you on this scrap of wood. We've got a piece of wood here. All you want to do is put it on the piece of wood, twist it so that the shelf supports are on the edge of the timber on both sides. And if you just push that up and down like that, every time it will mark you exact centre of that piece of wood. Now that's that width piece of wood, but you might be thinking, Mick, does it work on smaller pieces of wood? Yes, it does. Here's a really narrow piece of wood and it will work exactly the same. Just make sure the shelf supports are touching both outside edges, draw it up and down, and again, exact centre of that piece of wood. So that's just another jig, a centre finding jig that I have in the workshop here. It takes 5 minutes, as you've just seen, to make one. And it's just so handy when you want to mark the centre of a piece of wood. So if I'm putting a screw in, I just hold it on, draw up and down, and I've got the centre of that piece of wood, so I can drill a hole perfectly in the centre. It's so handy, so make yourself one. Post in the comments, let me know what you think of that dirt jig, and let me know how you get on with it. And if you want to see some more amazing jigs like this one, then hit the follow on TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, and hit that subscribe, whatever you do, on YouTube, because the YouTube channel is going to be the place to watch Mick's Woodwork Wonders. And I'll see you on the next one.